How to swap on Aerodrome Finance. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for aerodrome.finance. It will land you on this official page of Aerodrome. Now click on Swap menu at the top. It will land you on this page. At the top right corner, you'll find the option of Connect. Click on it. Different wallets that you can connect will be visible to you. But let me click on Connect with Browser Wallet. Now you can select either Coinbase Wallet or MetaMask Wallet. Let me click on MetaMask. Click on Next at the bottom right. And then click on Connect. Once again click on Switch Network. Now click on Sign In. Well, it says Signature Request. Click on Sign. And then it will land you on this page. Now you can select any of the token that you want to swap. Let me select BRED and USDC. Enter the amount that you want to swap. Once you have entered the amount, click on Swap at the bottom. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can swap on Aerodrome Finance. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.